Hey, what's up YouTube? Back with another video today, guys. And today I wanted to talk to you about the stock market and where everything's going. Today is March the 23rd, Friday. Stock is have taken a drop, and it's just like one of those situations where people are like, "Whoa, what's going on here?" And I think it's because it could be the sign of the bear. No, I honestly think it could be what's going on with the trade war that's going to be happening probably with China, and how that's going to affect the stock market. And personally, it's bringing some stocks down into some happier ranges, at least for me. And I wanted to talk to you guys about that and what I think is a really good buying opportunity for you here in the future if things work out pretty well. And I'm not saying that you should invest in this stock, but I personally think it's one of those companies that's probably going to last for a really long time. And it's going to do probably killer here in the next 10 to 20 years. So let's get started on that. It also pays a dividend, and it's also a stock that I've talked about before. Can you guys guess what it is? So, are you ready? Today I'm going to be talking about Disney. Oh my gosh, it's almost like he's talked about Disney before. Well, the reason why I wanted to talk to you guys about Disney and why I think Disney is one of those stocks that it's just a really good buy right now is because the company has been producing tons of movies that make a ton of money, and they've been doing it for a long time now, and that might continue a little bit. They also bought Fox, or at least a portion of Fox, so they have Fox's rights, which gets them more movies that they can make out of that. Basically, they've became an entertainment giant, and honestly, they also have like a streaming service kind of for sports coming up. Like, Disney is one of them sleeper companies that are already really big that I think is going to explode over the next 10 to 20 years, if it's not already big already. So with that being said, if you enjoyed my video, like if you like the video, dislike if you dislike the video, and if you really like the video, guys, please subscribe. It helps out my channel. I'm just starting out, and thank you very much, and have a great day.